What is the cut-to-shape backing type for custom neon signs? When customizing a neon sign, it is necessary to install the neon tube on a backing board for easy installation in any location. However, many people are not sure how to choose the backing board shape. There are multiple options for the shape and material of the backing board, but from the perspective of the neon sign design and manufacturing company, the ideal choice is the without backboard backing type, which can create a stylish and minimalist appearance. Unlike other types of backing boards, the without backboard option eliminates any visible backing board on the wall and any excess material that may hide the beautiful wall or wallpaper. This gives the neon sign a strong sense of minimalism and artistry, making it perfect for those who want a simple and low-key neon sign that can also make a bold statement. No backing board also means that the neon tube is more prominent, creating a clean and modern aesthetic. This creates a more polished and refined appearance for the sign, as there is no extra backing material around the neon tube. The without backboard option provides more creativity and flexibility for custom neon signs with unique shapes or designs, as the sign can be customized to fit any shape or size, no matter how large. The installation process is also very simple. The without backboard neon sign retains 2 mm installation holes, which can be fixed on the wall with 2 mm decorative copper nails without drilling. Anyone can quickly and easily install it on the wall with a small hammer in just a few minutes. Using a without backboard type of neon sign, any room can be decorated as a dream space surrounded by an artistic atmosphere.